So Capybara is another gaming coin on Telegram, and this project is a Sui blockchain project. So it's quite simple. I'm going to show you how I mine Capybara. So once you click the referral link, the first thing you're going to see is this, and you will be mining, I think, about 2,000 units or 3,000 units. I can't remember how many units. So when you tap on the Capybara itself, you'll be earning points, but your points is going to be 1 unit per tap. So right now I'm tapping per tap. Every tap I tap right now allows me to mine at the rate of 8 units per tap. So for a start, you'll be mining at 1 unit per tap. So you want to be able to, sorry, just closed unexpectedly. So you want to be able to mine at a faster rate. So the first thing you do is to click on N. When you click on N, there are several tasks to do here. So this task will enable you to have a lot of units to make the necessary purchases for your speed, for your mining speed. So when you click on this link, it allows you to mine 50,000 units of Capi points every day. These other two options have not been activated yet, but this one takes you straight to Twitter. Once you click on it, it will take you to Twitter and you do the tax. So now here are all the tax you have to do to earn 100,000 units, between 100,000 units to 300,000 units of Capybara points. So for each of these tasks you accomplish, you'll be given 100,000 to 300,000 units Bara points. The points are actually allotted automatically. So I can't really tell you right now because I have already done the tax myself. So that's for N. So when you have done all your tax, you come to Boost. When you come to Boost, what you want to do first is to buy this turbo mode. Not turbo mode. What you want to do first is to buy this auto feed so that you can feed your Capybara in 12 hours when you are away from your phone, for those who will not be actively mining. So the next thing you want to do is you want to buy this restock speed to the fullest, and then you can actually buy the potion and stock size depending on how you wish. But I'll advise you not to spend all your points buying this potion and stock size. So what is most important here is buying your auto feed, restock speed, and then a little bit of potion size, and this a little bit of those two. Then you also want to join a you also want to join a team. I don't know why this thing is closing automatically on its own. You also want to join a team. Like you can see, I have a team. My team is Gamed Games. So you also want to look for a team to join. I don't know if there are any benefits to it, but I just joined a team. And then you also want to refer a few persons, at least 2 to 3 persons. Like currently I have 14 referrals. So for each referral, you get 100,000 units of this token. So basically, you can utilize this turbo mode and full stock. So when you finish tapping this, you can see 7,000 units here, right? So when you finish tapping this, when you click on Boost, when you click on restock would allow you to fill this 7,000 units automatically. Let me just show you something. Let me put on my auto clicker. So for this to be easy for you, download auto clicker, enable it, click on this, and then mine your Capybara using auto clicker so that you will not just spend all your time punching your screen, and automatically it will just be mining for you. So it's as simple as that. I think if you don't know how to use auto clicker, please go to the video where I made for TapSwap. I explained how to use auto clicker before I started the video for TapSwap. So please make you do of that and make use of auto clicker to mine most of these coins. It will help with speed and how fast you mine, rather than spending so much time on the app. So I think that's all for that. But I'm trying to just show you how the restock works. And this restock also works for every other most other projects. So when you click on boost, you're going to see restock, you're going to see turbo mode, or you're going to see something, I don't know, there are different names. So I don't know, the app closes automatically on its own, so I don't know why. I think it's been since yesterday I entered the app, so I don't know why. So sometimes when it happens like this, you just need to be patient, close it, start again, and it will continue mining. So it's not really a big deal. So there are different stages on Capybara. Capybara, for me, I feel Capybara is still early because they have not really unraveled what they are all about. So I believe you still have at least 1 month plus to mine. Personally, I started mining in less than 1 month. So far, this is how far I've come. 27 million units already. So you can do same. You can do same for yourself. So yes, I'm done mining the 7,000 units that was allotted to me. So I'm going to click on boosts, and then I'll restock boosts. Then I'll restock. Click on full restock. Get boosts. Come back to feed. Look at my this thing is full again. My feed is full again with 7,000 units. So it's just that simple. Utilize everything you can utilize within the app to get more points for yourself. So I'll attach the video, the registration link to this video, so you can register with my link. All right, cheers.